I am the leader. I am the assistant leader. And we are the members. We built this last time. We built this out of popsicle sticks. We decided to make this structure so everyone can live happily. The roof is made of a triangle with colorful popsicle sticks. We made this stable so everything can be seen outside and inside. We built this as a polygon shape. The floor is made of popsicle sticks and the pond is built, has many rocks so it can be the house of the fishes and also like a tropical place. This sign is made of rectangle. This sign is made of a rectangle.